5 prebiotic foods for your gut health. Having a healthy gut is essential to our overall health, yet we often overlook it when it comes to the steps we take to stay healthy. A balanced gut microbiome is vital to our digestion, immune system, and well-being. Prebiotic foods, which are high in dietary fiber and non-digestible carbohydrates, can be a powerful tool for supporting our gut health. Prebiotics are non-digestible dietary fibers that nourish the good bacteria in the gut, helping them to flourish and work more efficiently. This video will discuss 5 prebiotic foods that are particularly beneficial for gut health. We will cover the benefits, how to incorporate them into your diet, and why they are significant for your health. By making simple dietary changes and incorporating these prebiotic foods into your diet, you can support a healthy gut microbiome and take steps to optimize your health. The first prebiotic food we will be looking into is bananas. Bananas are one of the best prebiotic foods for gut health. They contain resistant starch and pectin, both beneficial for gut health. The resistant starch in bananas helps to feed your healthy gut bacteria, while the pectin helps to slow down digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Additionally, bananas are an excellent source of potassium, vitamins B6 and vitamin C, which can help keep your energy levels up and support your overall health. The second prebiotic food is asparagus. Asparagus is an excellent prebiotic food packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains a high amount of dietary fiber, which helps feed the gut's beneficial bacteria. Asparagus also contains a type of carbohydrate known as inulin, which serves as a prebiotic and supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. In addition, asparagus is a good source of B vitamins, vitamin A, and vitamin K, which help to promote gut health. Asparagus is a tasty and versatile vegetable that can be added to soups, salads, stir-fries, and more. The third prebiotic food is garlic. Garlic is a delicious and handy ingredient and a powerhouse of nutrition. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, garlic can help support gut health, as it contains prebiotics that feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance. Additionally, garlic has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of certain gastrointestinal illnesses, such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. When adding garlic to your diet, look for fresh garlic bulbs or cloves, as these will provide the most benefits. The fourth prebiotic food is onions. Onions are a popular vegetable that can benefit your gut health. Onions contain prebiotic fiber, which helps to feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Studies have also found that onions can reduce inflammation and help prevent certain chronic diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease. Onions are also a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help to protect your digestive system from oxidative damage. When incorporating onions into your diet, try to include them in a variety of dishes, such as salads, soups, stews, and stir-fries. The fifth and last prebiotic food is oats. Oats are a great source of prebiotics and an easy way to add gut-healthy goodness to your diet. Oats contain beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that helps feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Beta-glucans are also thought to reduce cholesterol levels, boost the immune system, and reduce blood sugar levels. Oats can be enjoyed as a hot cereal for breakfast, added to smoothies, or used as an ingredient in baking. Oats are also a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, including manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, iron, and B vitamins. In conclusion, prebiotic foods are a great way to improve your gut health and well-being. Eating various prebiotic-rich foods such as bananas, onions, garlic, oats, and asparagus can help increase the number of beneficial bacteria in your gut, leading to improved digestion and better health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to support your gut health. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends so they can benefit from it. Also, please subscribe to our channel to watch such exciting and valuable videos.